50 useful sentences using can for everyday English mastery. 1. I can help you with your homework. 2. She can speak 3 languages fluently. 3. You can borrow my pen. 4. He can run very fast. 5. They can come over for dinner. 6. We can go to the park after lunch. 7. I can hear the birds singing outside. 8. The kids can play in the backyard. 9. She can cook a variety of dishes. 10. You can finish this project on time. 11. He can solve difficult math problems. 12. I can meet you at the cafe at 4 p.m. 13. You can use my laptop for the presentation. 14. She can sing beautifully. 15. They can travel next month. 16. We can visit the museum this weekend. 17. I can stay a little longer if needed. 18. You can ask me any questions. 19. He can drive us to the event. 20. She can organize the meeting for tomorrow. 21. You can see the stars clearly tonight. 22. We can solve this problem together. 23. He can join the team if he wants to. 24. I can carry the heavy box for you. 25. She can play the piano very well. 26. You can email me the details. 27. They can participate in the competition. 28. I can explain it to you again if needed. 29. The students can choose their projects. 30. We can start working on the report now. 31. He can teach you how to swim. 32. You can reach me by phone anytime. 33. She can finish her homework quickly. 34. I can pick you up after work. 35. The cat can jump very high. 36. We can plan a trip next summer. 37. He can paint beautiful landscapes. 38. You can download the app for free. 39. She can bring her famous dessert. 40. They can dance well at parties. 41. I can walk to school, it's close by. 42. You can watch TV after you finish your chores. 43. He can stay up late on weekends. 44. We can arrange a meeting next week. 45. The dog can catch the ball midair. 46. She can sew her own clothes. 47. You can rely on me for support. 48. They can understand Spanish perfectly. 49. I can bake cookies for the fundraiser. 50. We can make a difference if we work together. These sentences showcase the versatility of can in expressing ability, permission, and possibility in daily interactions.